Off of the aortic arch, we have three major arterial branches coming off. First of all, we have the brachiocephalic artery here, which is very short. Left common carotid artery here that goes up through the neck. And the left subclavian artery that cuts over here underneath the clavicle and down toward the shoulder and arm. The brachiocephalic artery actually splits immediately into a right common carotid artery here in red that goes up the right side of the neck, and a right subclavian artery here that goes out under the clavicle on the right side. Now, this particular model, notice that the head is turned to the right, showing us the left side of the skull. You'll see identical vessels on the right side of the skull, but they're only showing us the left. So this left common carotid artery that comes up will split into internal and external carotid arteries. The internal actually goes up into the skull and feeds the brain. The external, which we see here, splits up into branches and gives us our facial artery coming up the face. That's a facial vein that comes with it. A transverse facial artery here with this accompanying vein. And then a superficial temporal artery coming up here. That actually does split into a parietal branch and a frontal branch. And also coming off of this, we find the occipital artery with this accompanying vein here. Notice the arteries and veins all wind up matching here, so we get the identical blood flow in and out. And so this will be found on the right side of the skull as well. We get the same issues coming off of the right common carotid artery here.